Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to move quickly. Ensure your account meets age and follower prerequisites, then switch to a creator or pro account so Live becomes available. Once done, verify your profile info is complete and prepare a stable Wi-Fi or 4G connection with at least 3 Mbps upload to avoid stutters. Make sure your phone camera and mic permissions are enabled in system settings. Otherwise, TikTok can't access them. Now open the TikTok app and go to the plus button to begin the live setup. Once you see the Live tab, type a clear title that tells viewers why to join and pick the right category so TikTok recommends it correctly. Make sure to select a cover image and enable moderation tools, keywords filter, and comment controls to reduce harassment in real time. If you want co-hosts or guests, invite them now. If using external audio or lighting, connect and test them. Also check privacy settings, public versus followers only depending on who you want to reach. When you're ready, tap Go Live and start with a quick intro and a call to action to engage viewers immediately. Pacing matters, so alternate speaking and showing visuals. If you can't start live, confirm account eligibility, look for app updates, and check for any community guideline strikes. These commonly block live access. If audio or video fails, restart the app, toggle camera/mic permissions, try another network, or reinstall TikTok. One tip: record a private test live first to verify settings without.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.